So, hi, in this video, I'm going to discuss the problem of LeetCode daily question replace words. Okay, so let's understand this problem here. So, the problem is something like in English, we have concept called root, which can be followed by some other words to form longer word. Okay, let's call this word derivative. For example, when the root help is followed by the word full, we can form derivative help. Okay, so what this paragraph actually mean is, suppose in English, what happens is what root and what derivative are. Let's say help and let's say helpful. Okay, initial four letters, or you can say this letter is comes into this letter as well. So basically help is what root of this letter, and it is what it is derivative. So what does the this line actually means, or you have like studied prefix and all. So something similar to that, that is called root according to this question, right? Now let's take the statement further. So we have given a dictionary consisting of many roots, okay, and a sentence consisting of other words separated by spaces. Replace all the derivative in the sentence with the root forming it. If a derivative can be replaced by more than one root, replace it with root. Acha, okay. So what are the input format is? It was something like we have given dictionary. Dictionary is basically vector of string. Cat, bat, rat. We have given like uh, few strings into dictionary, and these are the strings basically root of derivatives. These are basically roots, and we want to replace these root with the derivative found in the sentence string. So this is the string. We have given a sentence string that contain few letters, and this is what derivative, and it contain what root, that is cat. So what I have to do is I have to replace this cat with cattle. Similarly, I have to replace this bat with uh, battery, and so on. So this was like problem statement. We have given roots in a dictionary, we have given a sentence that contain derivative words. We need to replace that derivative word with what, root. So this is the problem. So let's take this example test case. How first of all I will explain how it is working, and then we'll tell you the approach. So the cat and cattle have the three letters same. So I will replace cat, cattle with cat. Similarly, I'll go to rat and rattle. Rat is like root of rattle, so I will replace this with rat. Now I'll go to battery. Battery is like bat is a root of battery. Then I'll cut it and I'll replace it with bat. Okay, and the sentence will now form what, the cat was rat by the bat. So this was the sentence, it will now become. So what will be the approach for it? Approach would be like something I will gonna apply like brute force, or there can be like multiple optimal ways, but the brute force will work for this question. So I'm gonna explain that. Okay, so we have given a string. First I will do what, I will simply store all the uh, string, all the words of the string into a vector v. Suppose I have a vector v, I will like store all the words of the string. That is, first of all, it will be the the second word is what, cattle, cattle. The third word is what, was, and so on. Now I'll have all the like words of sentence in my vector of string, that is v. I have stored that, right? Now I have what, I have a dictionary that contains the root words. It will be like given in the input, right? That are cat, rat, and so on. Okay. What I will do now, I will iterate through all the words in V. Then I will iterate from all the letters in the dictionary, and if I found starting if I found the character if I found the dictionary into any word of v, then I will simply replace that derivative with the root of dictionary. So this was the approach. Okay, simple brute force, simply iterate through all the letters in the v, then simply iterate through all the dictionary, and if I found something like cat into the cattle something, then I will simply change replace it with that, right? So this is the simple approach for this problem. Now I'll explain it with the code. Okay. first of all, I did what? I have declare a vector v, then I'm having a string temp. What I am doing is I am storing all the words of sentence into a vector v. Okay. As soon as something, if you, where was it? The sentence is here, right? I'll copy it. Okay. I'll have it from here to, I'll shift it here. Now look. First of all, what how I am inserting the letter words into v. First of all, I will start iterating from starting. All right. As soon as I'll get a space, means the word is completed. Earlier word is completed. Then it's the perfect time to insert this word into vector v. Okay. Now I'll start from C, and as the space white space arrived, it is the right time to insert the word cattle into the v. Now I will iterate through was as the white space arrived. It is the right time to insert was into the v, and so on till goes right. I from there I'll get the all the letters of sentence, words of sentence into a vector v. So this is what the code is doing here. As the white spaces arrives, I will simply store the string into the vector v, and I will make the string empty. If the space isn't arrived, mean I wanna concatenate all the letters. So this is what I am concatenating it and creating a string temp. As white space arrives, I will simply insert. So from here I'll get the vector v that contain all the letters of the sentence into words. Okay, now I have v that will contain the cattle and so on here. Leave it. Now the next what I am doing is I am sorting the dictionary. Why? Because if you see the problem statement, uh, if the derivative can be replaced by more than one root, replace it with the root the shortest length. If you want short that it will like fail on a test case where we will selecting like uh, shorter one and you have selected like longer of length. So in that case it will fail. So we need to sort it for this. Okay. To make it more clear, like you will see here, suppose the cat was the this word was earlier than cat, then in that case I am gonna pick that for the cattle, right? But the optimal or the like shortest would be what to pick cat. So that's why I am sorting it. Okay, now come here. What I am doing now from here to here, I am iterating through all the words of vector v. Then I am iterating through all the words in the dictionary. If I found v of I dot substring, yani I am simply checking the substring of from 0 to which length of the dictionary word. Okay, the whole word basically I'm checking if the word in the dictionary arrives in the letter or not, arrives in the words of in the like v or not. If it's arrived means if it is equal to that word, in that case I will simply do vi equal to dictionary, means I have replaced that word. uh okay. So in the in the vector v, what I got here, I got the word cattle, right? Now I have through iterating v, through iterating dict, I get to know that cat means from 0 to the index of it, that is 0 to 3, both the letters are same. Then in that case I will replace this cattle with this. So this is what I done in this line. And once I am like changing the sentence in the vfi, I will simply replace it. Once it is done, the here I am doing simply converting that all the character, all the strings in the v to a like sentence type. So I have created a string answer and I will iterate through all the strings in the way, and I will concatenate everything and simply add a white space between them. And at last I will return the string as answer. So yeah, this was a simple brute force approach for this, and there might be like many optimal way, but this is getting accepted here. You can see. If I try to submit it out, so yeah, it got accepted.